I want to print a sheet of return address labels for a mailing I'm doing. In Word, I select Mailings, and then Labels. I'll use Word's label options so I don't have to format them myself. I click Options, and select the type of printer I have, which is a basic page printer. I'm using Avery 5160 address labels, so I'll select that vendor here, and the product template here. I click OK and type in my return address. I could print the labels immediately, but instead, I'll select New Document so I can see my labels before printing them. I can save this document for later use. Now I select File, and then Print. I make sure the labels are loaded in the printer, and then select Print. If you just want to print a single label, when you get to this dialog box, enter your address and click Single Label. If you have a partially used sheet of labels, you can even specify which label to print on. Select the row and column, then click Print. The full sheet of labels goes through the printer, but only that one label is printed on.